Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 4 applying reaction rate concepts to real life problems. This is under week 7 of Science 10 term. Integrate the concepts of temperature, concentration, surface area, catalysts, and inhibitors in explaining real life reaction rate situations. And collaboratively develop and present a practical reaction rate solution for an assigned community challenge. And how responsibility in applying scientific knowledge to support safety, health, environmental care, and material conservation. For motivational activity, reaction rate, emoji vote, the faster, lower, or controlled. Okay, the purpose of this activity is to activate prior knowledge about the 5 factors affecting reaction rate before learners solve real-life challenges. Each learner prepares 3 hand signals or paper symbol. We have fast, slow, controlled. Okay, the teacher reads each real-life statement. Learners raise the most appropriate symbol. After each item, one learner explains the factor involved. Okay, ito po yung mga example ng statement na babasahin ng teacher. Okay, leftover adobo is placed in the refrigerator after dinner. Okay, the correct response should be slow or controlled. The factor involved is the temperature. Okay, number 2, powdered raw material is used instead of large chunks in manufacturing. Okay, that is fast or controlled. Surface area ang involved na factor. A small candle is covered with a glass container. Okay, that is slow concentration of oxygen. A catalytic converter is installed in a vehicle exhaust system. That is controlled or fast useful reaction. That is catalyst. A metal roof is coated with paint before the rainy season. Okay, that is slow or controlled. Inhibitor or protective barrier. A warm condition makes fruit browning occur more quickly. Okay, that is fast. The factor involved is temperature. Okay, a stronger oxygen supply causes a flame to burn more intensely. Okay, that is fast. That is something to do with concentration. Antioxidants are used in selected food products. Okay, that is controlled or slow. Inhibitor. Small dry wood chips catch fire more easily than thick log. Okay, that is fast. That is surface area. A factory uses a catalyst to form a product efficiently. Okay, that is also controlled or fast catalyst. Why is faster not always better in chemical reactions? A faster reaction may be helpful in manufacturing or pollution treatment. Why is faster not always better in chemical reactions? A faster reaction may be helpful in manufacturing or pollution treatment, but it can be harmful in food spoilage, fire, corrosion, or unsafe industrial conditions. The goal is to control reaction rates according to the situation. So, depende sa situation kung kailangan mo bang pabilisin yung reaction or pabagalin. Depende dun sa product na gusto mong mabuo or depende sa usage. Okay, let us study this scenario. Science Response Team 1 Barangay 5 Challenges. Barangay Mahusay is preparing for its annual community fair. During preparations, the Barangay Council identified 5 concerns. Number 1, fish products for the food stalls must remain fresh until selling time. Number 2, a small workshop wants to produce materials more efficiently. Number 3, a cooking area needs a fire safety plan because charcoal and dry wood will be used. Residents complain about smoke from vehicles near the event area. The metal railings beside the covered court are beginning to rust. So, yun yung mga 5 problem. The council asked the grade 10 science learners to provide solutions based on factors affecting reaction rates. Okay, for the guide questions, which reaction rate factor is most useful for keeping fish products fresh for a longer time? And how can a production workshop increase the rate of a useful chemical processes? Give 2 possible factors. And what reaction rate principles can be used in preventing or controlling fire in the cooking area? Or how can catalysts contribute to reducing certain vehicle pollutants? How can the rusting of metal railings be slowed? And what general principle connects all 5 community concerns? So ito yung possible answer po dyan. Number 1, the temperature is highly useful because refrigeration or cooling lowers temperature in the slow spoilage related processes. Drying or salting may also be applied depending on the food product. The workshop may use controlled heating, greater surface area of solid raw materials, suitable concentration, or an appropriate catalyst to increase the rate of a useful process. Fire can be controlled by lowering temperature using an appropriate extinguishing method. limiting oxygen supply and removing fuel sources. Fine combustible materials must also be handled carefully because greater surface area may take burning faster. And number 4, catalyst in the catalytic converters speed up reaction that converts certain harmful exhaust gases into less harmful substances. Rusting can be slowed by painting, coating, galvanizing, applying oil or grease, or keeping materials dry or metals dry. These methods reduce contact with water and oxygen or otherwise slow corrosion. It involves managing the rate of chemical reaction by either speeding up useful reaction or slowing down harmful ones. Okay, for discussion, concept integration guide. Okay, we have the 5 factors at a glance. Ito yung mga factors po na nakaka-apekto sa speed of chemical reaction. Number 1 factor is the temperature. Temperature affects the kinetic energy and motion of particles. So, the higher the temperature, the greater the kinetic energy. Tandaan po natin yan. So, temperature increases within safe and appropriate conditions. Heating speeds manufacturing, cooling slows down food spoilage, and may help control fire. So, number 1 po na factor is the temperature. In terms of the reaction rate. Pag sinabing reaction rate, yung bilis ng chemical reaction. Okay, number 2, concentration. Concentration affects the number of reactant particles available for collision. So, mas mataas yung concentration, mas mabilis ang chemical reaction. More reactant particles are present in a given volume. Oxygen supply affects combustion. So, the greater the number of oxygen, the higher the amount of oxygen, the faster the combustion. Industries control reactant concentration. So, dalawa na po, temperature and concentration. Number 3, surface area. Surface area affects the number of exposed particles of a solid. Solids are broken into smaller pieces or powdered. Like for example, yung yellow po, kapag isa lang siya nabuo, matagal matunaw kasi yung naka-expose na area niya is kunti lang. Unlike nung pinag-break mo siya, pinaliit mo siya, so mas marami yung exposed na area, kaya mas mabilis matunaw. Isa pa po yung ginagawang powder. Powdered raw materials react efficiently. Small fuel particles burn rapidly. So, tatlo na po, temperature, we have the concentration and surface area. Number 4 naman, catalyst. The catalyst lower activation energy by providing an easier reaction pathway. A suitable catalyst is, so ang catalyst po, ito po yung nagpapabilis ng chemical reaction. So, yung panlima naman po, yung inhibitor. Ito naman, kabaliktaran ng catalyst. Ang inhibitor naman po, ito yung magpapabagal. It slows or interfere with unwanted reaction. An appropriate inhibitor or protective condition is applied. Example nga po yung antioxidant, corrosion protection, or pintura. Pinababagal nito yung chemical reactions. So, kung babalikan po natin yung 5, we have temperature, surface area, concentration, catalyst, and inhibitor. Yun po yung 5 factors na nakaka-apekto sa reaction rate. Okay, interpreting expected result. Ayan, warm hydrogen peroxide with yeast compared with cold mixture, more rapid bubbling in the warm mixture within suitable temperature limits. So, ang factor na naka-apekto doon is temperature. Particles move faster and enzymes function effectively under suitable warm conditions. Concentrated acid reacting with metal compared with dilute acid. So, faster bubbling and faster metal dissolution in more concentrated acid. Okay, ang factor na naka-apekto doon is concentration. More acid particles are available to collide with the metal. So, mas mabilis. Okay, next, powdered calcium carbonate compared with marble chips in acid. Fast bubbling with the powder, that is surface area. Pinowder siya, mas maraming area ang naka-expose doon sa solute. So, more calcium carbonate particles are exposed to acid. Okay, hydrogen peroxide with a catalyst compared with hydrogen peroxide alone, walang catalyst. So, pag may catalyst, mas mabilis yung reaction. The catalyst provides an easier pathway for decomposition. Okay, painted metal compared with unpainted metal. So, yung painted, mabagal kalawangin. Yung unpainted, mabilis kalawangin. So, painted metal rust more slowly. That is inhibitor approach. Pinababagal yung chemical reaction. The paints limits contact with the water and oxygen. Okay, for activity, Barangay Reaction Rate Solutions Expo. Learners work as science consultants assigned to solve one realistic barangay concern. Each group prepares a main display and delivers a short presentation explaining how reaction rate concepts can be applied responsibly. Divide the class into 5 groups. Each group receives a different community challenge. Ito yung sample ng mga challenge. Number 1, food preservation station. Keep fish and fruits products safe and acceptable during the community fair. So, may kinalaman dyan, temperature. Yun. Number 2, problem, challenge, or local production station. Help a small materials workshop make a useful chemical process more efficient. Number 3, fire safety station. Design a safety plan for charcoal grilling and dry materials near cooking stalls. Number 4, cleaner air station. Explain how certain vehicle emissions may be reduced during using a chemical reaction control or the catalyst. And the rust-free community station. Protect outdoor metal railings, bicycle racks, or roofing sheets. Okay, analyze the challenge. Yun. Each group reads its assigned challenge and answers what chemical reaction or unwanted chemical change is involved. Should the reaction be made faster or slower? Para mapakinabangan, ano ba, pababagalin mo? Ano ba yung makakatulong, pababagalin mo or pabibilisin mo yung reaction? Which factor or factors affecting reaction rate are most relevant? And what safe and realistic community solution can be proposed? Step number 2, prepare a science solution board. Using Manila paper, cartolina, or digital slides, prepare a solution board containing the following. Ayan. The title, the problem description, reaction involved, factors affecting reaction rate. Ayan. Proposed solution, scientific explanation, safety or responsibility reminder, and visual element. Ayan. Presentation format, each group present its output for approximately 2 to 3 minutes following these structures. The problem, what is happening in the community. Science, what reaction and reaction rate factor are involved. Solution, what should the barangay do? Reason, why will the solution work? And reminder, what responsible practice should people remember? Yan, group task, guide, and suggested content. Yan yung mga sample.